Okay, Monster Fish Keeper filtration experts, I have a couple of questions. Hopefully you guys can help me solve my problem. What's happening is my overflow is filling up completely with water, and I guess the overflow, the drain hose does not have enough air within it to keep the water flowing down to my sump. And because of that, my sump pump is pumping the water out of my pump too quickly. It's basically emptying this part of the tank right here. Let me see if I can get a shot when it starts to empty it. This all happens simultaneously. I would also like to know how can I alleviate the gurgling, because I've heard of Duracell drain pipes, which I have on my 300 gallon, but the way that, okay, there we go. My intake is completely full of water. My overflow is completely full of water. Oh, sorry, false alarm. Also, I'd like to know, is there any way I can get rid of that gurgling sound? This tank, the sump, and everything is brand new to me, so I'm trying, and I just got it hooked up, and I'm trying to figure out the best way, because I know this can't be healthy for the pump. Okay, here we go. The overtake is completely full with water, and now you see the pump draining the water out. And sometimes it drains a little bit more than that. But most of the time, that's as far as it drains. So I'm open for any type of advice. Somebody, throw me a bone, help me out. Here's the way I have the intake set up. Or the way the former owner had the actual, not intake, but the outtake set up. And this is plumbed into the sump pump. So, like I say, help me out. Tell me some change I need to make this system a lot more effective and a lot less noisy. Sometimes I put this sponge on there. I don't know if you can see. And it gives it a nice beachy sound, which I like, but there's my pump again. It sounds like the waves crashing, and I can deal with that sound, but the main thing I'm trying to do is increase the life of the pump, because I know that pump running only half full of water that has to cause some type of issues with the longevity of the pump itself, and I'm trying to, of course, keep it as long as possible. So, give some tips, some hints. I know this is a pretty long video, but hopefully I've given enough to help everybody get some ideas and get some wheels turning. Thanks a lot. This is Mr. Winkle signing out.